To our very able judges, board of judges, headed by the very deserving Engineer Romy Pitiglorio, Engineer. To all our sportive department heads, LGU family, my dear returning balikbayans, and of course, the grand finalists, dagiti karubada, kabagyanda, gagayenda, our friends from the media, and of course, dagiti nagkakataraki, nagkakapintas, na punong barangays, palakpakan tayo Manila, and their councils, stakeholders of San Nicolas, happy fiesta. Umuna, dawatan apot dispensa, lakas pakita tayo, basit sa naunay dati auditorium tayon, tikinado, titao, umay makiragragsak na tayo. Hanlang apo, ngagapo, tiiling San Nicolas, agraman, kadagiti ka pangayibang tayo, kailili. And of course, I would like to give the highest commendation to the chairman of Truas San Nicolas, Daras Got Talent, na tinawon-tawon apo nga improve. Makita tayo, he's always giving us the best. Imagine, high definition LED na makikita tayo data. Kastaman apo, tirigrigat na, nga panagsapsapon lagi di talent. Taknulaan, may dada, may inspire na tayo. Hindi dato'y apo nga got talent. And of course, I would also like to congratulate my wife, Apo Mayora, for enhancing and improving my style in rendering public service to our people. Thank you for making me and our children proud. And of course, to all our grand finalists, this is not the time to be modest. This is your moment to shine. Gadgarot, agkakailan tayo, agbabagi tayo, agkaykaysa tayo, itituduras, tiili tayo San Nicolas, itidaras. Nagpintas San Nicolas.
And once again, ladies and gentlemen, our former municipal mayor and executive chairman of Second Kawayan Festival San Nicolas Town Fiesta 2015. Maraming salamat po, Honorable Yoncho S. Saldivar III. Alright, so good evening ladies and gentlemen, people of San Nicolas. Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Pumalakpak naman po kayo. Ayan.